And Marian Santos of Potentials.com signing at our channel. Let's continue studying the book of John Day. So yung lesson natin today is when it's safe to ask. So we're still discussing the difference between a man and woman. So yung last natin, every woman needs to know about men. So today, when it's safe to ask. If a man grumbles, it's generally a sign that he just needs to feel appreciated. So kung grouchy daw or ano ba yan, nagnanag yung husband natin, it's just a way of asking for appreciation. He needs to repeatedly experience his efforts as being worth it. So kumbaga, our husband, although sabi natin sila yung man of the house, they still need our appreciation. Kumbaga, even the small things. Yung lang discussion natin was about Georgia and what's the name of the husband? Roger. So parang hinihingi lang ni Georgia is tulungan siya sa mga housework. So ano ba yung housework? Throwing the trash at the end of the day or kung kailan man yung schedule. So parang simple lang, no? Pero the woman feels very happy because of that. So all it takes to satisfy is for her to acknowledge and appreciate what he did and not ask immediately for more. She should let him bask in having done something to lighten up her day. So masaya si Georgia when Roger helps her sa mga house tasks. So parang kasi because we got married, parang everything seems so normal na hindi na tayo tinutulungan just because we're married. So sabi nga, Roger is the president of a very successful clothing chain, but he looks forward in emptying the trash kasi yun yung time na na-appreciate siya ni Georgia, yung wife niya. It made her feel more special than his work, which she felt captured most of his attention. Kasi diba, pag yung husband natin puro work, parang feeling natin hindi na tayo nabibigyan ng time or importance. So when we know that they help us in the housework, parang we feel appreciated and loved. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.